Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Tuesday, we saw vertical decline for our markets after hitting the levels of 18,350, on which we were insisting since last 3 days. 18,350 acted as major resistance for the market, and on Tuesday, Nifty closed at the lowest point of the day. Even though there was specific buying interest in the bank Nifty and bank stocks, the market clearly failed to sustain at higher levels and close at the lowest point of the day. I am going to say around 18,100, which is very close to the next important support, which is around 18,000. For the day specifically, till the market is not forming any reversal formation, we should stay away from taking any specific long position at the opening. In case if we see the market is opening around 18,200, then there we need to be careful and we should look for reducing weak long positions, or we may even take some contra bet of going short in the market. On the downside, as we mentioned, 18,000, 17,950 would be major support, and from there if we see any reversal formation, then certainly we should look for adding some long positions with a intraday view. Otherwise, if we go through with daily and weekly charts, then between 17,800 and 18,000 the market is having major support, and there we are expecting market to stabilize. For the bank Nifty, it was on the verge of crossing its previous high of 39,000, but it failed. Today if we see the bank Nifty is rebounding from lower levels, then we should again look for reducing some long positions close to 38,700, 750. Let the bank Nifty cross the level of 39,000 to get any specific trend reversal activity. On the downside, below 38,000, the next level to watch out for would be 37,750, 37,650. Also, for the day we are expecting activity in financials as well as few metal companies. There we are expecting furthermore momentum after hitting important support areas. So our focus should be on commodities as well as on few financial stocks. And finally, if we go through with global markets, then there also we saw steep weakness, and it was there during the day yesterday. US futures were down, and that's the reason we saw sell off in our markets. 10-year bond yield was around 1.83, which has actually impacted Nasdaq to close at the lowest point of the day, and it was the most underperforming index on Tuesday. Apart from that, crude was around 86, 87. So there are multiple headwinds, and till the market is not crossing 18,350, we are not going to see any specific buying interest in the market. Yes, of course, ahead of the budget, if we see any major decline in the market, then there the buying should emerge. That's the view. FIs are consistently selling in the market, and they sold more than 1,000 crores in the equities. However, they have reduced their positions on the FNO segment, and they have also added a few more put options to their existing long positions. In brief, we are of the view that we should be level based traded for the day, and 18,200 on the higher side and 17,950 or 18,000 would be the major support for the day. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you and have a great day to all of you.